Can these reinforcement techniques be used on commercial doors and business entrances to improve security and protect assets and employees? Commercial reinforcement begins by treating each entry as part of a system, not an isolated component. Start with an assessment of the door type, frame material, and hinge configuration. Solid core wood, steel, and aluminum frames all require different fasteners and anchoring approaches. For strike plates, use industrial-grade steel plates sized to cover the latch and deadbolt area and secure them with long screws that penetrate at least 3 inches into the structural frame or steel stud behind the jamb, so the load transfers into structure, not into trim. Reinforce hinges by replacing standard screws with long tamper-resistant screws and adding hinge reinforcers or security studs to prevent hinge removal on outward swinging doors. If the frame is light, gauge, metal, or hollow, install a steel reinforcing channel or weld in a reinforcing plate, or fit a plug weld anchor into the concrete or steel header where practical. For retrofit, when welding is not possible, use heavy-duty through bolts with backing plates on the opposite side. Address multiple entry points concurrently, including service doors, emergency exits, loading dock doors, and secondary staff entrances, so weak links are not left exposed. For doors with glass, consider laminated security glazing or polycarbonate panels in the lower portion and use continuous hinge protection and security film that holds fragments in place to slow entry and provide time for response. 3 common mistakes derail most commercial upgrades and how to avoid them. Relying only on a stronger lock while leaving the jamb and hinges weak means the door will fail at the frame. Always reinforce the frame and use long screws in combination with upgraded hardware. Installing heavy deadbolts into thin metal frames without backing plates or structural anchors creates new failure points. Add steel plates, channel reinforcements, or through bolts so force is distributed into the building structure. Treating a single front entrance and ignoring secondary doors or overhead loading areas leaves targets for criminals. Map every access point and apply a consistent reinforcement standard so every realistic access route is upgraded. We run bighomeprojects.com and we help homeowners and business owners find local contractors for security upgrades and many other projects. On our site, we also host an active discussion community where property owners and contractors exchange real-world tips and experiences.